In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively conduct a thorough literature review using a meticulous and streamlined approach. Let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to start by defining your topic and research question. This is crucial as it sets the foundation for your entire review process. Make sure you have a clear, focused idea of what you want to explore or investigate. Having a well-defined question will guide you in selecting relevant and impactful papers. Next, head over to Google Scholar to find 5 to 10 recent papers published within the last 5 years. These papers should directly relate to your research question, providing insights and context to the topic you're exploring. As you locate each valuable paper, take note of its title, publication year, and link, ensuring you've got all the details neatly saved for future reference. Once your collection of papers is ready, focus solely on the abstracts. You'll work with these summaries rather than downloading full PDF files at this stage. As you extract the abstracts, organize them by labeling each one with a letter like A, B, C, and so forth. Keeping your abstracts organized will make the next steps more manageable. Now, it's time to set some parameters in ChatGPT. Specify that it should use only the abstracts you've gathered and maintain the citation format with the author and year details, such as author year. Importantly, ask it not to invent any sources, ensuring your data remains consistent and reliable. Next, use ChatGPT to summarize each abstract. Request exactly 2 bullet points per study and make sure they include author and year information. These concise summaries will represent the core findings and nuances of each abstract, highlighting key insights that are essential for your review. With your summaries in hand, start grouping them into themes. For instance, you might categorize them under headings like benefits, challenges, or ethics, depending on your topic's focus. This thematic organization will enable you to draw meaningful connections across different studies, providing a clear framework for your review. Now, you're ready to draft your review. Begin by asking ChatGPT for 4 concise paragraphs based just on your organized abstracts. The first paragraph will provide an overview of the field, while the subsequent ones should cover benefits, challenges, and finally, ethics or broader implications. This structured narrative offers a comprehensive yet focused exposition of your research area. To cap off your review, identify research gaps. Welcoming 3 to 5 testable gaps that relate primarily to methodological practices, such as proposing a multi-site study or a bias audit, will suggest future research directions and enhance the academic robustness of your work. Lastly, round out your endeavor by meticulously building your references. Use tools like Zotero or EndNote to compile them based on your real sources. Have ChatGPT format these references according to the citation style you're using, be it APA or MLA, and diligently verify their accuracy. And there you have it. Follow these steps to craft a well-organized literature review, primed for academic and professional exploration.